Let's take another look at some of the powerful images from Monday's tragic events in Boston.
And the Boston Marathon already underway.
Something just blew up.
Breaking news tonight, an apparent coordinated attack in Boston.
Place of celebration instantly transformed into a scene of chaos.
We have multiple people down here, okay? I don't know what the cause is. Stand by.
At first, it almost sounded like a cannon blast, but it felt so strong, it literally almost blew my hat off.
It was loud. It was really, really loud. And then just chaos everywhere.
It was carnage. It was just carnage. I actually saw a man who lost part of his leg.
I knew immediately it was a bomb. I mean, you could smell it.
I'm in shock.
It's like a bomb explosion that we hear about in the news in Baghdad or Israel or some other tragic points.
Boston is a tough and resilient town. So are its people. The American people will be with them every single step of the way.
Get out of the zone. Get out of the zone.
The number of casualties is expected to change throughout the evening.
There's a numbness in the city, not out of fear, but I think just out of trauma.
It's absolutely senseless for Boston. For this to happen on a day like today, honestly the best day of the year in this city, there are really no words to describe it. It's pretty devastating right now.